Incremental greetings. Something fascinating is that, there's some site called BiliBili. We could simplify it's like the Chinese YouTube, because YouTube, among a plethora of websites, are banned in mainland China. And some time ago, I realized, what is this? Someone is re-uploading some of my videos, which is kind of cool. If those Chinese citizens cannot use VPN or they don't dare to use VPN, they could watch the videos. And something else that I noticed is that more or less I'm used to YouTube to see the view count for my videos and someone else's videos, because I reacted to many videos. I have looked virtually every single video that features Supermemo in YouTube. And I realized that in BiliBili, they get crazy views. The view count goes into the thousands. And more ironically, videos of mine that have been re-uploaded have more views in the re-upload in BiliBili than in my original upload in YouTube. At least I included the link to YouTube, by the way. But look, this is a video of mine. This is a video of mine, and I changed the thumbnail later on. It's the old thumbnail. This video, again, it's mine. And look at the view count. 1,600. It's a Supermemo 35. Let me go there. How many views? 400. So it got 4 times more views here. That's also a video of mine. In this case, there's no thumbnail, but it's a video of mine. And that is the original video in YouTube. And this case has 1.1 thousand. It's the only video that got more views in YouTube than in BiliBili. The only one, the only exception. Then this one. Well, jokes aside. Incremental greetings. I wonder what the average person who watched this video in this site thought. What is this? Let me translate this. Oh, it really means this? Man who is easily comprehended by others, or man who reads subtitles for foreign languages? Okay. In just 3 characters, you can say that? Oh my god. Yeah, now you can see that was the video I played before. Now you can see the thumbnail. This is the one that I was sick. Incremental greetings. Today, I want to share something with you. I will go. Let me see I'm curious. What do they say? Yeah, the background, the dark theme. Something about Chrome. Yeah, I started learning Chinese. It's been put on hold. If you use Chrome, you can just use Chrome page X. Yeah, I don't quite get it, but yeah. It's because it's Supermemo 18 and so on. Then you still have some videos from the Supermemo wiki. And then I still have one more. Oh my god. It's likely you only have one. Yeah. So those are just re-uploads, all of that. But this one is different. And someone did a
一个
voiceover.
关于间隔重复35周年活动的懒人包将会基于威廉在22号特
William. Oh, I got that all, at least. Phonetic adaptation of my name. They did a voiceover and they added the captions. How cool is that? This video was about 20 minutes, so he made the effort to do a summary.
总结与我自己在场的一些感受，我会忽略到一些无关紧要的主。原活动发生于13号期间，沃兹尼亚克跟Supermemo的 CEO 到场。活动的展开形式主要是围绕着话题以及问答。我们都知道沃兹尼亚克还有
Look, 48 likes. Let me go to my channel. In this case, I have about 400. I have 415 long format videos. If I go to views, I sort by views, which is a heuristic to get by likes, because I cannot sort by likes. Look at that. I only have one single video that is above 48 likes. One. It's just enough that I cannot say, hey, I have never reached that number in YouTube. And not only that, if I Google Supermemo, sorry, if I search Supermemo in BiliBili, you can see other creators. It's not just because perhaps I focus on upload content. That's how I wanted to share this video. But just in case that, hey, there are creators that they cover Supermemo. And look at the view count. The Chinese group numbers by groups of 4, not 3. So that doesn't mean 5.5K. That will be 55K in this case. I think I can sort by, I think it will be here. Yeah, look. There are videos from 2020, when I started my channel, 2021 and so on. There's quite a lot of content. And there is even a server for the Chinese community. And you may be surprised how large the Supermemo community, the Chinese Supermemo community is. Some years ago, I did this, introducing free learning, introducing free learning to the Chinese community. Oh wow, yeah, it's been more than 2 years already. All of those were Supermemo users, Chinese Supermemo users. So I think I made my point that hey, Supermemo transcends what you see in the Western world, and perhaps because of the language barrier, there's no way you can consume this. So if you don't know Chinese, there's very little you can get from those videos, right? But it's good to see that there is a Chinese community for Supermemo, even with such a niche software that is English only and so on. Crazy. So nothing more to add today, and see you incrementally.